Do you know what absolutely drives me crazy? When I spend a whole lot of time coming up with a great social media post and it gets absolutely zero engagement. The rest of my posts get likes and comments. Why not this one? It's the link. The link is killing my engagement. On this episode of 2 Minute Tip Tuesday, I'm going to explain why your social media posts with links to your website are getting less engagement than your other social media posts. And then I will give you a quick and easy tip that will help you fix this problem. Alright, so y'all keep roasting me in the comments, reminding me how I can't get these 2 Minute Tip Tuesday episodes done within 2 minutes. So today, I didn't even come to play. I'm not even playing around anymore. Let's just put 2 minutes right on the clock and let's jump right in today's 2 Minute Tip Tuesday. Done within 2 minutes. So there's a little known stat within the social media world that the organic reach for a Facebook business page is anywhere from 3 to 6%. So what is organic reach? Organic reach is taking the number of your page followers that actually see a particular post from your Facebook business page in their newsfeed and dividing that number by the total number of followers to your Facebook business page. So for example, if 3 of your business page's followers see a particular post from your Facebook business page and it has 100 followers, your organic reach for that post is 3%. Now, there are 2 reasons why I firmly believe that organic reach is so low for Facebook business pages. First, if Facebook does not limit the exposure for posts from Facebook business pages, our timelines would be overrun by promotional posts from businesses and brands. Now, reason number 2, there would be less incentive for businesses to invest in Facebook advertising if they got more value for free. So now let's consider the added problem that is created when you include a link to your Facebook post. Facebook hates when people add links to their Facebook posts because it takes users off their platform and directs them to competing platforms. So when you add a link to your post directing people to your website, Facebook will cut down your organic reach even further, which is why you may see less engagement, if any engagement at all, with certain Facebook posts. So here's a way to work around this problem. Continue to create your social media posts just as you normally would. Use a great image or video with great copy for your text, but don't include a link in the post. Instead, replace it with the text, click the link in the comments for more information. Then add the link to the post comment section immediately after you post it. Then pin that comment to the top of the comment section. That way, Facebook won't read your post as a post with a link directing people off their platform, but your users can still get additional information through the link in the comment section below. Now, I get that this approach is not conventional, right? But at the end of the day, all I'm really concerned about is that my followers are able to see my content. And if my content is creating enough interest amongst my followers, I actually take the effort to go and find the link in the comment section below the post and go through the process of clicking on it to get more information. So if you're currently not satisfied with the organic reach and the engagement on your Facebook business page, give this tip a try. It doesn't hurt to give it a try, and if it works out, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. So I hope that you guys found this 2 Minute Tip Tuesday helpful. If you did, give this video a like and make sure that you subscribe to the Homes for Heroes YouTube channel and hit that notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time we publish a new episode of 2 Minute Tip Tuesday or any of the other great content that is right here on the Homes for Heroes YouTube channel, all dedicated to help you growing your real estate or mortgage lending business. So as always, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you guys again real soon.